How to create WhatsApp business account. Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you are running a business and you want to directly connect with your customers to promote your products and services, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I will walk you through the simple steps to create your business account on WhatsApp. First and foremost, open up Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type WhatsApp Business and install the application. This might take some time. Once the installation is completed, open the WhatsApp Business app. Tap on Agree and Continue to accept the terms and conditions. You can choose your existing WhatsApp number for WhatsApp Business, but note that you will be logged out of the normal WhatsApp. If you want to keep them separate, you can also use a different number. Right now, I will choose to use an existing number. Then confirm the pop-up to transfer your data from normal WhatsApp to WhatsApp Business. Allow all the necessary permissions to WhatsApp Business. It will take some time connecting and the transfer is in progress. Once the data transfer is completed, you will be directed to the business profile setup page. Upload a suitable photo for your business and enter the name. Select the category of your business by tapping on the pencil icon. Right here, I will search for digital creator and select it. Then tap on show more options. You can provide additional information like description and address if necessary. For now, I will skip it and tap on next. It will take some time connecting and then it will be initializing. Wait for a moment. You can explore business tools, but you can also tap on not now if you prefer. Select a backup frequency to secure your WhatsApp business chats. Choose the frequency that suits your needs and tap on done. And there you have it. You have successfully created a WhatsApp business account. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.